So what I found here on digitaltrends.com, that, we've talked about Hyundai and Kia. I actually like Hyundai and Kia. I've driven their EVs, their plug-ins, and they are very nice. So what Kia has done is Kia has partnered with Amazon. And if you purchase a Kia, which, right now they have the Soul EV and the Niro EV, you can go to Amazon's Charge My Kia page, which is literally amazon.com/Charge My Kia. And they have 3 preferred in-garage or, at-home charging stations. One is from Bosch, one is from ChargePoint, and the other from JuiceBox. They'll not only sell you the chargers, but they'll allow you to go in while on the Amazon page and go ahead and identify and schedule an electrician to come out and install the charger that you just purchased off of Amazon. So it becomes the one-stop shop. You buy the charger, you schedule the installation. Hopefully it'll all be done before your car ever even shows up.
So, do they still make the Ionic plug-in?
Yeah, they do.
Okay,
I believe so. Yeah.
Yeah, the Ionic is a Hyundai. So this was just with
just the Kia. Okay.
This is just the Kia thing, but I probably would work. I'm sure the Hyundai would work just fine. Yeah.
Same company, mostly.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. I mean, and I missed it. I'm sorry. Was there like a deal on these things, or is this just a partnership to help Amazon sell home chargers?
It probably. I haven't done the comparison shopping. So they list, for example, the Bosch EL 51866. Power Max 2 40 amp electric vehicle charging station for $764. I haven't priced it in other places to see if that's comparable. And the ChargePoint is $620. The JuiceBox is $549.
All right, somebody explain to me because I'm confused. What does the Kia piece have to do with anything?
It's just a Kia partnered with Amazon. That's really all it is.
But I can do the same thing without having a Kia, right? I can.
Yeah.
Okay. So and then
it's a cross promotion.
Yep.
And then did they say if it's a limited market?
No.
So you mentioned before your vehicle arrives, is there a waiting list on these things?
So I don't think the Niro EV is out yet.
Gotcha.
And it's only going to be carb. The Soul EV we know is out, but the idea is you would order your car and then you would go on Amazon and you would order these things and it would all be taken care of before your car showed up. I mean, it's
really
ready
to go into finance. You'd go to Amazon and.
Yeah, it's really up to you to do the timing and do the legwork. But yeah, like Russell said, it's mostly cross promotion.
All right. So when I click on the schedule an appointment link, I have coming soon.
Limited. Maybe you're not in the carb state, right?
An electrician where you are.
Right, I'm not in a carb state.
That's probably why.
Okay, see, it probably is limited markets, and they've no provider.
Wherever you can buy those 2 cars.
Yeah.
Right.
Interesting. Charge My Kia. Mm-hmm. I mean, the whole point here is making EV purchases easier. Obviously, Amazon wants to sell chargers, right?
That's where I got mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And so the point is that everybody knows Amazon. You buy a car, you go to Amazon, you click on a thing, and they set up an appointment, unless you're in Missouri, to have it come out installed.
Right. And, certainly not saying you couldn't do this yourself. You could certainly go to the Kia dealer. You could order your Niro EV. You could go to Costco. You could buy your charger, or I don't care where you buy your charger. You could go to Angie's List and you could book an electrician to come out and do the hookup. You could do all this stuff yourself. I think this is just an attempt to try to streamline it and make it as easy as possible to the EV owner.